It's about to storm. I need to check the weather and see what it's looking like because I had no idea. But I just asked Rick, could he DoorDash me some Chinese food? I have a taste for Chinese today. So I'm gonna do that. Boys want pizza. They're gonna have cheese pizza. I'm gonna have Chinese. And tonight we are going to bake. Okay, we have a chocolate cake, 6-inch. So look at this pole hair. I ain't did nothing to it. I just threw it on. I had to do a couple of TikTok sample videos. So go check those out on TikTok if you haven't checked them out. And if you want to grab anything that's any other time, it doesn't have any ice, but we want to drop some when I'm talking. But I dropped a couple of videos. If you want to grab anything that I used in those, I will have those linked below as well as my TikTok, which is the same, So Sweet Love. And we are still prepping for vacay. Okay, the girls are still gone. It's just the boys and I here. And I'm standing right here because there's good light. What light is left? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and order our DoorDash. Hey my sweet lovelies, I'm L'Oreal. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys have subscribed. I hope you hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm popping up, okay? Because I pop up often, okay? We over here growing our community. It's gonna come. Our people gonna find our people. Today we are back baking and I am doing a 6-inch chocolate cake at the moment, and it's for a gender reveal. So we got that in the oven. Just get stuff around the house done, ready to be in. And we're back working on the car because the part's supposed to be delivered today. But it better change to out for delivery.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, if them strictly was a five. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you out, doors up. Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my flow. Body down, wrist, close, it down, on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming.
Hold on, let me grab my coffee. Had to warm it up because I've been decorating this morning and this is what we came up with. It's a gender reveal burn cake. Hold on. It is too adorable. I know the lighting's horrible. It's a burn cake. Gender reveal and it's 2 count. It's so cute. Well, I'm gonna go lay down for a couple of hours till they come pick up.